Orlando, often celebrated as the theme park capital of the world, stands as a vibrant hub of entertainment, innovation, and cultural diversity. Nestled in central Florida, this city has transformed from a modest citrus-growing region into a bustling metropolis that attracts millions of visitors annually. Its strategic location offers a subtropical climate, characterized by warm summers and mild winters, making it an ideal year-round destination for tourists and residents alike. The city's skyline is dotted with iconic structures such as the Orlando Eye, a giant Ferris wheel that provides panoramic views of the city and beyond. Downtown Orlando boasts a lively art scene, with numerous theaters, galleries, and music venues that showcase local talent and international acts. The city's commitment to arts and culture is also reflected in institutions like the Dr. Phillips Center for the Performing Arts, which hosts ballet, opera, and Broadway productions. Orlando's economy is heavily driven by tourism, with world-famous attractions like Walt Disney World Resort, Universal Orlando Resort, and SeaWorld Orlando drawing visitors from all over the globe. Disney's sprawling complex includes multiple theme parks, water parks, and resorts, creating a mini ecosystem of entertainment, hospitality, and retail. Universal Orlando, home to the wizarding world of Harry Potter, offers immersive experiences that appeal to thrill seekers and pop culture enthusiasts alike. SeaWorld combines marine life exhibits with exhilarating rides, contributing to the city's diverse entertainment offerings. Beyond its theme parks, Orlando boasts a thriving convention industry, with the Orange County Convention Center ranking among the largest in the United States. This facility hosts a variety of expos, trade shows, and conferences, fostering business development and networking opportunities across numerous sectors. The city's infrastructure supports this influx of visitors, featuring extensive hotel chains, restaurants, and transportation networks that facilitate seamless travel and accommodation. Educationally, Orlando is home to several prominent institutions such as the University of Central Florida, one of the largest universities in the nation. UCF contributes significantly to research, innovation, and workforce development, particularly in fields like engineering, computer science, and hospitality management. The city also benefits from a diverse population, including a significant Hispanic community, which enriches its cultural fabric through festivals, cuisine, and traditions. Recreational opportunities abound in Orlando's numerous parks and outdoor spaces. Lake Eola Park, located downtown, offers pedal boats, a picturesque fountain, and vibrant Sunday markets. The city's proximity to natural preserves like the Wekiwa Springs State Park provides residents and visitors with opportunities for hiking, kayaking, and wildlife observation amid lush surroundings. These green spaces serve as vital lungs for the city, promoting environmental sustainability and community well-being. Orlando's commitment to innovation is evident in its burgeoning tech sector and entrepreneurial ecosystem. Several startups and established companies have established headquarters or regional offices here, attracted by the city's talented workforce and supportive business environment. Initiatives aimed at fostering clean energy, smart city technologies, and digital media are actively underway, positioning Orlando as a forward-looking city on the national stage. The city also emphasizes sports and recreation, hosting professional teams such as the Orlando Magic NBA basketball team. Major League Soccer and minor league baseball teams complement the sports landscape, while numerous amateur leagues and fitness centers promote healthy lifestyles among residents. Events like the Orlando City soccer matches and annual marathons foster community spirit and city pride. Culturally, Orlando celebrates its diversity through festivals, culinary events, and public art initiatives. The Orlando Museum of Art and the Manello Museum of American Art offer insights into regional and contemporary art scenes. Annual festivals such as the Orlando International Fringe Theater Festival and the Florida Film Festival attract creatives and audiences alike, nurturing an environment of artistic expression. Transportation infrastructure in Orlando has evolved to accommodate its growing population and visitor numbers. The city is served by Orlando International Airport, a major hub connecting domestic and international flights. Road networks, including the busy Interstate 4 corridor, facilitate easy travel across the region. Efforts to expand public transit, such as Sunrail commuter trains, aim to reduce congestion and promote sustainable mobility. Community engagement and sustainability initiatives are integral to Orlando's future development. The city invests in renewable energy projects, waste reduction programs, and urban green spaces to enhance quality of life. Education campaigns promote environmental awareness, encouraging residents to participate in conservation efforts. In recent years, Orlando has also become a center for health and biomedical research, with hospitals and research institutions collaborating on innovations in medicine and healthcare delivery. The city's diverse population and educational institutions provide a rich environment for scientific advancement and public health initiatives. Overall, Orlando exemplifies a city that seamlessly blends entertainment, innovation, and cultural diversity. Its dynamic economy, vibrant art scene, and commitment to sustainability position it as a leading American city with a promising future. Whether exploring its bustling parks, engaging with its local communities, or participating in business ventures, visitors and residents alike find Orlando a place of endless opportunities and memorable experiences.